Xiaomi is again rumored to be launching its newest smartphone device, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T. This smart device is said to have many unique advantages compared to other brand smartphones in the mid-premium segment. Xiaomi will officially launch its newest cell phone, the Redmi Note 11T at JD India. This phone complements the three models of the Redmi Note 11 series that were already released in China, namely the Redmi Note 11, Redmi Note 11 Pro, and Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Actually, the Redmi Note 11T itself is a rebranded cell phone from the Redmi Note 11 which was launched for the Chinese market a few days ago. Because it is a rebranded phone, the Indian Redmi Note 11T still has the same design and specifications as the Chinese version of the Redmi Note 11 phone. So what do you think about the sophistication offered by this phone? Well, in this discussion, Technopedia will discuss the feature specifications and prices of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T in this first segment. The exterior side of the specifications of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T will be discussed. As with the leaks that began to spread in cyberspace, this smartphone comes with a contemporary design concept that applies a premium flagship-style body. Although it has not been officially released, and there is no information about the detailed photo of the body, but there have been several leaks that show the Redmi Note 11T body design concept. It's just that the dimensions or body size are still not known for certain. Even so, in terms of design, this smartphone made by Xiaomi still looks so elegantly beautiful with a thin and so slim bezel that can even be said to be similar to the Note 11 type. Not without reason, considering that the exterior body of this phone is known to be made of plastic material and is equipped with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protector so that the impression of luxury and charm will be strengthened. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T is also equipped with a 6.6-inch screen, which is claimed to have Full HD plus 1080 with 2400 pixels resolution capabilities. So you can be sure that the screen display will look so sharp and clear with a blend of IPS LCD layer types. For the processor used by the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T, it will use the MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset. On the other hand, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T is reportedly equipped with two RAM variants with a capacity of 6GB or 8GB and internal storage with a capacity of 128GB or 256GB. So it is certain to be able to provide multitasking performance that is much more aggressive, responsive and fast. Regarding the camera that is carried by the Redmi Note 11T, as explained earlier, this smartphone made by a factory from the land of Panda does rely on camera features as its main feature. Therefore, the Redmi Note 11T is equipped with a dual main camera with a resolution of 50 megapixels and an ultra-wide 8 megapixel, which is equipped with LED flash, HDR, panorama features, and a 16-megapixel resolution front camera which is very reliable to be used as a selfie photo tool with very clear results. And attractive. For internet connectivity, the Redmi Note 11T is also supported by the 5G network. About the battery, it is an important part that cannot be taken lightly. Redmi Note 11T will offer a battery level higher than Li-ion, namely lithium polymer with a capacity of 5160 mAh with 33-watt fast charger. Of course, with that capacity, this sophisticated smartphone can last for 24 hours with normal use. Finally, we have now reached the right moment for us to discuss the price of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T based on our monitoring regarding the latest developments regarding the price of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T. It is reported that it will likely be around 13,000 Indian Rs or 174 United States dollars. Of course, the price range is considered quite reasonable when compared with the quality offered by this phone. But please note that the price of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T in this video may still turn out to be more expensive or maybe a little cheaper. Well, that's the review of the specifications and prices of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T in this video. Thank you for watching.